Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send an ACH payment using PNC Bank in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure way to transfer money electronically between banks in the US. Whether you're paying a bill, sending money to a friend, or handling business transactions, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have your PNC Bank account set up and access to the latest PNC mobile app or online banking platform. Things might have updated by 2025, so check for the newest features. Start by logging into your PNC account using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required for security. Once you're in, navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Next, look for the option labeled ACH Payment or Electronic Transfer. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank's routing number, account number, and the exact name on their account. Double-check these to avoid any delays or errors. Then, input the amount you want to send and select a transfer date. PNC might offer same-day options, but remember, ACH payments typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Before you hit confirm, review everything carefully. PNC could charge a small fee for ACH transfers, so keep an eye out for that in your transaction summary. Also, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the payment. Overdrafts are no fun. Once you're good to go, authorize the transfer with your PIN or biometric verification for added security. And just like that, your ACH payment is on its way. By 2025, PNC might have even more streamlined features, like voice commands or AI assistance, so stay updated through their app. If you run into any issues, PNC's customer support is usually top-notch. Reach out via chat or phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's make managing money simple and stress-free. See you in the next video.